Do you own or manage a building and constantly find yourself paying for emergency lighting maintenance and testing? Emergency lighting is installed throughout buildings and is tested for compliance every 6 months. During testing, emergency lights often fail, leaving you with the cost of a new light and expensive labour fees. Don't pay any more unexpected bills. EMIoT is the answer. With EMIoT, you pay as little as $3 per light per month. Our fixed monthly fee covers all installation, testing, maintenance and emergency lighting annual fire safety statement, allowing you to budget for other important things. Sound too good to be true? We're able to achieve these cheap prices because of our EMIoT emergency lighting technology. EMIoT lights wirelessly connect to each other to create a stable and scalable LoRa network throughout your building, allowing testing to be done automatically and remotely online. With this smart technology, we know when your lights have failed, so our maintenance team can act fast and keep your building safe. Once you're a happy EMIoT customer, you can utilize the EMIoT network to connect smart security sensors, key trackers, monitor utility consumption, and other building infrastructures like pumps, HVAC, and ventilation. Contact WBS Technology to learn more about how EMIoT can transform your building and eliminate unexpected bills.